So hello everyone, and I hope everyone had a great weekend. So with regards to chapter 4, problem 15, which I got some questions on. Basically, it's problem 14 here, right? You got to be careful with these numbering systems. This is homework 3, chapter 4, problem 14, right? But it's the 15th problem, all right? So when you email me, please specifically say which homework, which chapter, which problem. Okay, thank you. All right, you've been offered a unique investment opportunity. If you invest $10,000 today, you will receive $500 for 1 year from now, $1,500 for 2 years from now, and $10,000 10 years from now. What is the net present value of the investment opportunity? If the interest rate is 6% per year, should you take the opportunity? And for part B, it's the same question, but the interest rate is 2% per year. All right? All right, so anyway, here's the solved a problem with the equation. All right, and here's the timeline. So here's your money invested. Notice it's negative, right? It's negative. And notice we have, here's the cash flows. And you'll notice here basically, so here's the net present value equation. And you notice there's only 3 cash flows, right? 500 plus 1,500, and then in 10 years, 10,000. So here's the equation. So you just pop the interest rate, which we were given 6% in here, right? And this is the year 1, this is year 2, and this is the 10th year. And here's the numbers, you pop them in, and you take raises to the power, and it all falls out. And of course, again, this could easily be solved in Excel, right? This is easy to write in Excel. And it comes out negative, as you see, so you reject this. Now for B at 2%, same equation, of course. All we did was change R to 2%. This one comes out positive. Take it because the net present value is equal to or greater than 0, right? You take this one. All right, so basically that's it. And you can also solve this, which I'll show you here, with Excel, right? And here comes the net present value. Use the net present value function in Excel. Remember, you got to subtract this off by yourself. Remember what I told you, this is not built in, so you got to do one extra step, all right? And here's B for 2%. All they did was change this to 2%. But everything else remains the same. And you can see it comes out positive here. Now, they didn't actually, they did the present value by hand. They could have done the NPV function in Excel. I don't know why they did it this way. But we could have used NPV, and did this, basically. Alrighty, I hope everyone was clear. Any questions, once again, always get a hold of me. I'm always here.